That's your face right there.
Yay.
Yeah.
Let's get a picture. Ready, buddy? You want some eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kitty's trying to help you eat your eggs. Hi, Kitty.
Dumb kitty.
Yeah, hi. It's okay. You can eat them.
Stop.
That's you. On screen. You're famous. Good job.
Oh, you're so good with utensils.
You are. You're an expert.
You're not so good with pants.
You want Mama to help? You want help?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you say yeah?
Yeah. Come on. There you go. Gotta finish what's in your mouth.